speech on Seerat nabi. Mr. President, Sir, Honorable Principal, respectable teachers and my dear class fellows, good morning. As you know that the topic of my speech is my hero. Dear audience, my hero is as great and kind as an angel. I am proud of being one of his followers. He is the Prophet of Islam, Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad is a great figure in the world, and one of the most influential people humanity has ever witnessed. His words and deeds greatly affected human thought and behavior throughout history. He was a religious teacher, a great father, a wonderful husband, a faithful friend, an excellent guide, a strong believer, social and political reformer, and the best companion. I love him more than myself because of his special status in our religion. Allah has honored him. All Muslims are grateful to him for his achievements. Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a prophet sent from Allah to all humankind. He is the last prophet. He was born in Makkah in the year 570. He was orphan, so he was raised by his uncle Abdul Mu'talib, who was from a tribe called Quraysh. Muhammad, peace be upon him, was illiterate, and most of people at that time were illiterate too. But he was famous for being truthful, trustworthy, confident and generous. He used to help the poor by giving them charity. He used to play with children and make them happy, and he was so honest and sincere to the extent that people called him the trustworthy. At 40, Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah through the angel, Jabril. At first, he was afraid. When he returned home, he told his wife Khadija what was going on. Khadija took him to her cousin, Varqa ibn Nawfal, who told Muhammad that he was going to be a prophet. Prophet Muhammad is up to now a perfect example of honesty, fairness, mercifulness, compassion, faith, courage and commitment. An exceptional, thoughtful human being in brief. After the death of the Prophet, peace be upon him, Islam had spread to remote lands in the world. Among the reasons for the fast and peaceful spread of Islam was the truth and clarity of this religion and the simplicity of its message. I would like to conclude my speech with these poems. If I must lose my footing in the desert, then let it be among those delicate grasses. I may have no water, yet the sun may not burn. I may lose everything but the love of Muhammad. Angels send blessings and peace upon him.